See if I can make it past that now. I'm getting better at the game. Can reroll upgrades once per level sounds good. There's still this amount that I need to get. I can only use this revolver, so quick play. And see if I can make it to the boss and beat it and complete this survival thing. And here I go. This time I'm going to play a little bit more aggressive, because I noticed that the other times I was playing very conservative. So I'm just going to give this a little opportunity and see how it goes. Double shot. Woo, you sure? Hope that's open already. So close, so close, so very close. Push it, push it, push it. Come on, come on. Reload, reload. There you go. Look at that. Summon an egg that will hatch into a dragon in a minute. Oh, that sounds really good. Okay. Haste, speed was good. Anything else? Summon damage. Huh. So quick hands or haste. Choose speed. Ooh. Okay, that's gonna take some time to listen how that works. Okay. So close. Train dragon. So your dragon gains 10% attack speed every 60 seconds. So I'm gonna upgrade this guy. Ooh. Oh no, 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 no. Look at that. There we go. Attack. Minion. Oh, this one's actually pretty useful. Look at that. Aw, what? Wow. So you guys didn't have to watch that ad, so good for you guys. I want to see how far I can actually go now, because normally I would just, give up there and just start all over, but I want to see how far I can make it, because this is a good setup right now, so I don't want to just leave it there. I'm almost there to level up. There you go. Let's see, Pyro Mage, your bullets have 30% chance for burn. Your dragon gains 8 damage every 60 seconds. This ability works even if your dragon is still in the egg. Fanfire, when shooting your last ammo, also shoot 10 additional bullets in circles around 15 damage? Huh. This one sounds better than all of them. So every 60 seconds his damage will increase, so that's extremely good. And since I got haste, there you go. I let so much XP just go on somewhere. I just gotta look for it again. See, look at that. All this XP. At least hope. Blazing speed. Move speed 10%. Inflict burn on nearby enemies as you run. The effect occurs more often the faster you move. Oh, dude, that's good. All these are so good. You know what? Since Spirit will help push things. So I can push in areas now. Because I don't want to keep losing XP. Oh, see, like, if I didn't have the spear there, that move wouldn't be possible. It's almost time for that boss guy. I need to make sure I'm in the area so I can juke these guys and get that XP. XP's good. There you go. Solar Drain. Every 500th enemy killed by a summon's soul heart. Dragon Bond. Your bullets deal additional damage equal to 10% of your dragon's damage. What? Bullets do that much? Aw, oh, that's good. I had to think about it for a minute. What do you mean that damage does this? It's like, oh, look at that. So this guy gets stronger. I get some of that damage input too. Now, right now, it's not gonna be noticeable, but in a few minutes, it should show up considerably. Level 9, Magnetism, Pickup Range. You know what, since I already have a good setup, Pickup Range will do just nice. Plus I have haste, so it's all good. Now I can get XP just from close by now. Woo! Close one. Evasive, Dark Arts, Run, and Gun, Holy Shield, Power Shot. So, shielding, you know what, since bosses like to move faster, you're gonna have to go with that one. I like the other one too, and that's why I got it. Take aim. So bullet speed increases, divine blessing, increase reload and rates. Move speed by 25% while holy shield is active. Yeah, since I already have that shield, it'll be turning this one. Okay, need some room here. Yikes, look at that. Now I need to go get some XP. Clearly I need better weapons. Come on, haste should help me. Oh, come on. It's gotta be like healing perhaps? Pickup range 20%. Every XP pickup has a 10% chance to give ammo. Watch and learn. I'm gonna have to go with damage. Only because there's so many enemies nearby. This will help a little bit. Like I said, it'll help a little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch another ad. I'm gonna skip this so you don't have to watch it. Alright. Hello guys. Back here again. What? This Let me not just lose instantly. Let's see. Let's see how far I can go here. Okay, now the thing. Split fire. Shoot an additional bullet behind you. Oh, vitality. Summon a magic scythe that deals 40 damage. Arrow magic every 2 seconds. Shoot out a gale of wind. Gale deals 20 damage every 0.5 seconds. That sounds good. Damage. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't be useless to me. Come on, come on, come on. Wow! Wow! Alright guys, give it a sec. Yeah guys, I'm gonna have to edit the video a lot. So if you see any weird cuts that don't make any sense, it's because of a commercial. Because even though I got a good setup this time, it's not enough to make it past clearly. And this is one of the best setups I had so far, so let's see if this helps. Shana specialization. Triple the effect of the next upgrade you take. Okay, that'll be useful. Literally, I'm about to use it. Let's see. Holy Spear. Magic Spear deals 10 damage for every max HP you have. That's not it. Yeah, this bullet damage is better for this. Let's see. Man, the editing on this video is going to be something else. And I haven't even attacked this guy. That's the thing. I just realized I haven't even attacked this guy at all. Like, I keep on having to focus on like the enemies around me. What's this? Tomb of Power. Rage, bullet damage. Can I just leave these? So for bullet damage, 50% damage, 100%. You know what? This looks good. This upgrade. Oh, another commercial. Yeah, this video is gonna be something else. Oh, look at the bullets. Look like huge. Now look at that. That upgrade was actually useful. Ooh, red ball. Is that useful? Let's see. Quick hands, trainer, scythe, holy arts. After shooting your last ammo, smite nearby enemies. You know what? That will help a little bit later on for sure. Last bullet. Yep. So I can do that. Yeah, guys. If there's a version to pay for this, like even if it's like a few bucks, like $5 or $6, bro, I think I'm gonna have to just. Cause watching a commercial every time, ain't it? Now let's see. Just this. Increase your max HP by 1 for every 500 enemies killed with smite. Evasive, soul drain, rapid heart, holy spear. So magic spear deals 10 damage for every max HP you have. Increase your magic by 1 for every. Okay, that'll be useful. Yeah. So far, I'm making it. Around 2 minutes remain. What am I doing here? Wow. Yeah. Let's keep them going, guys. Big shot. Bullet damage 45%. Bullet size 40%. Fire rate -16. Holy might. So smite deals 10 extra damage for every HP you currently have. And it's like the spear again. Yeah, this one is good. I'll choose this one. Since I already have that ability thing, it'll be really useful now. Instead of it just being like average, it'll be better. Vision. All enemies within your vision range take. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this for sure. Anyway, guys, another commercial. Skipped it though. Yeah, I'm editing. Ooh, this is a lot. This is actually good. Eye the Storm. Deal double of Gale's damage to nearby enemies every 2 seconds. Gale damage increase. What? That's good. Recharge pickup range 20. I do have a lot of XP. This will make space though. Space. Man, there's no room to get XP here right now. Closing in, and it's just right here I can get some XP from. Aw, what? Almost survived. There we go. No. Look, guys, I'm doing my best here to get some XP. Oh, look, there you go. And it is difficult to make it through these things. Windborne, move speed 15%. Gale's bonus damage is increased by bonus to your movement speed. Movement speed. Let's see how useful you are. Oh no, dude. Look at that. I have to, like, get back here. Yeah, dude, Finally. Rate us your feedback. It took so long. If you guys enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and have a good one.